everyone, welcome back. I hope you all had a great spring break. We're going to start with our sounds again for today. Let's see what our sound is today. I'm going to write it on the board and let's see if you know what it is. Who knows what that sound is? The letter is Y. Do you guys know what Y says? The sound that Y makes is yeah, yeah, yeah. See how my mouth is kind of at a smile? I kind of say it more in the back of my throat. Yeah. And my tongue is back. Yeah, yeah. Everyone try it. Let's see you have a little smile on your face. Keep your mouth closed a little bit and say yeah, yeah. Your tongue is up a little bit in the back. Yeah. Okay, let's sing about it. The Y says yeah. The Y says yeah. Every letter makes a sound. The Y says yeah. Okay, let's see who I have today. I have my turtle and his name is Yertle. Yertle starts with the yeah sound. Yertle. Yertle turtle, that's my name. Yertle turtle, that's my name. What is yours? Is it the same? What's your name? Yertle turtle, that's my name. Hi, Yertle. Okay. We are going to do our yeah sound. And we're going to combine it with some other sounds to choose. Do you see how it has the yo-yo? Yo-yo starts with our y sound. Yo-yo. If you don't know what a yo-yo is, it's a toy that you can put on your finger and it can go up and down on the string. We just have the yes sound at the front of the words today, because if it's at the back of the words, it's just one of these vowel sounds. So we don't have yeah at the back of words, just at the front of words today. So we're going to combine it with some other sounds. Let's see how many times we're going to say it today. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're just going to say it 3 times, so I want it 3 really good sounds. We're going to start with our O. So when we put it together, it says yo, yo. Okay, we're going to say it 3 times. Here we go. Yo, yo, yo. Nice. Okay, here's the next one. Whoops, I'm going to show you first. That says ow. Remember, that's our sound with the Band-Aid, like if we hurt ourselves, and it says ow. So when we put it together, it says yow. See how my mouth is kind of like a smile? Yow. Okay, we're going to say it 3 times. Here we go. Yow, yow, yow. Nice. Okay, here's the next one. A. A. When we put it together, it says yay. Like if we're making a shout for a celebration. Yay. Okay, let's try it 3 times. Yay, yay, yay. You can practice saying that today when you do things around the house. You can say, yay, I did it. Okay, here's the next one. Whoops. E, E. So So our mouth is kind of like a smile when we say E. So our mouth should stay the same when we put it with the yes sound and say yee. See how my mouth doesn't move? It stays the same. Yee. Here we go. We're going to say it 3 times. Yee, yee, yee. Okay, 2 more. This one's our stinky sound. Ew, ew, like when a skunk is stinky. When we put it together, it says you, you, like if I'm pointing to you. I really miss you. I miss seeing you in class. I sure do. Okay, let's put it together 3 times. You, you, you. You could practice that today. You could practice going around and saying stuff to people. I love you. I see you. I want to be with you. Here's our last one. That's our itchy sound. Okay, when we put it together, it says yeah, yeah. Here we go, 3 times. Are you ready? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great. Okay, I'm going to read our story. Our story's kind of funny because it says, please, Mr. Panda. I don't see any yes sounds in that title. I don't see any Y's. I see a P and an M and a P. We practiced those sounds a couple of weeks ago. But this book has lots of words that say you in it. And we said you starts with the yes sound. So as I read it, listen for all the times we say you in it. Looks like lots of donuts. Yummy. Okay. Would you like a donut? Give me the pink one. Oh, you cannot have a donut. I have changed my mind. Would you like a donut? I want the blue one and the yellow one. No, you cannot have a donut. I have changed my mind. Would you like a donut? No, go away. Would you like a donut? I want them all. Then bring me some more. No, you cannot have a donut. I have changed my mind. Would anyone else like a donut? Would you like a donut? Oh, hello. May I have a donut? He's hanging upside down. Look at that. You can have them all. Thank you very much. I love donuts. I wonder why he gave all of the donuts to this animal. You're welcome. I do not like donuts. Oh, now look at his tummy. It's so big because he ate all the donuts. The end. So maybe today you can practice asking people questions, what they would like. Would you like this or would you like that? There's some other words that have our yes sound in it. Words like yarn. Maybe you can do something with yarn today. Or yoga. Do you know what yoga is? That's when we stretch our body and we do different shapes. And guess what? I'm going to send some yoga pictures on the email to your parents so that they can pull it up on the computer or print it off, and you can do some yoga moves when you practice the yes sound. Yoga's fun. So you can do some yoga. You can maybe do something with yarn. You can practice saying you or yay a lot today when you practice your words. But I really miss you, and I really miss you being in my class, and I'm really sad I can't see you every week in class, but I hope that you can see me when we do these little YouTube videos, and I hope that you can practice your sounds, and I hope you have a good week, and I'll have another one next week. Bye.